Hello, welcome to another episode of Autism Takes On, and today we're going to make some pumpkin chocolate chip muffins. For tonight, we're going to make pumpkin chocolate chip muffins. Okay, for the muffins, we have two different types of ingredients. Wet ingredients, such as eggs and olive oil, and dry ingredients such as flour. Now, we're gonna have 3 cups of whole wheat flour and 3 cups of enriched unbleached white flour. Now to make a cup, you overfill it, then you scrape it out with a knife. Do not tap the cup. I repeat, do not tap the cup, because this is what happens. When you tap the cup, you'll have a little less than you want and you'll fill it up more. So you'll actually have more flour than what you actually need, and that might ruin the muffins. You need to do the same thing with the enriched white flour, which is unbleached, and never tap the cup on either of them, as I have shown. It's actually okay to tap the cup when you're emptying it. Okay, we need 4 teaspoons of baking powder and baking soda. Never tap the spoon either. Okay, now you need 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. Now, I know I've said this twice before, but do not tap the spoon or cup or whatever you're scooping the salt up with. It might take a few tries. Now let's mix up the dry ingredients. Now for the wet ingredients, starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eggs. I'm doing it in a bowl just in case any pieces of eggshell get in the egg. Now for 4 cups of granulated sugar. Now for 2 15-ounce cans of pure organic pumpkin. Get out the can opener, but be careful, these lids will be sharp. Now for 2 cups of olive oil. Now we're going to mix up the wet ingredients. Now, let's put the dry ingredients in. 1 scoop at a time. Now for the chocolate chips. 24 ounces. And we head on to the next step, but let this drip. Now to prepare the muffin tins with large baking cups. Now to fill the baking cups with 1/2 to 2/3 of the way with the batter. Put in a 350-degree oven for 25 minutes. Now the muffins are ready to come out of the oven. Now to take them out and put them on the counter to cool. Now we repeat the baking steps until all of the batter is ollie off. Now let's taste the muffins.
Okay, all right. Now, just as a side hint, what we do is we put these in Ziploc bags, we put them in the freezer and then bring them out and put them in the microwave for a few seconds, and they're just as fresh as when they were new. So that way we don't have to go through all these all at once. Now the recipe that Elias made makes approximately 5 dozen, and we hope you enjoy.
You need to do the same thing with the white unbleached flour than you need to do with. Could we redo that? And these muffins are good and can get your morning sugar in you. Okay, right here you need 4 teaspoons of baking powder and baking soda. I don't know why they call baking soda because it's not in liquid form and it isn't fizzy. Nah, I really shouldn't try any. I know this says honey dip, but we reused the container. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you have been waiting for. Stir the dried ingredients up.
Okay, stop. You pull it back out.
This cracks me up. I've told this a bazillion times already, but do not tap the cup. Getting the rest out with our baking colored spatula.
And remember, that's on, so you have to talk loud.
Put in a 350 degree oven for 25 minutes. That was an excellent explosion. That is all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And have a nice day.